Welcome inside one of the most advanced satellite factories on Earth. Every satellite begins as raw materials engineered for space survival.
One single dust particle can destroy a satellite in space. This frame must survive extreme vibration and zero gravity.
Is accurate to a fraction of a millimeter. Is the satellite's brain, designed to operate for years without repair.
Modern satellites think, calculate, and react on their own, driven by these cutting-edge AI processors. Power everything. Without sunlight, the satellite dies.
Every signal sent from space passes through this system.
Space temperatures.
This fuel allows satellites to adjust their position in space.
Without this, satellites would slowly spin out of control.
It can survive launch. This chamber recreates the emptiness of space.
Space offers no mercy, only preparation.
This software cannot be fixed. This software cannot be fixed.
This container protects billions of dollars of technology.
After this moment, humans may never touch it again.
This is the satellite's first successful conversation.
Journey to space begins on Earth.
This is where precision meets raw power.
Come down to minutes.
This moment defines success or failure. Satellite is now on its own. This is the satellite's first breath. This is proof the mission succeeded.
Satellites are never left unattended.
Together, they power global communication. This is only the beginning of humanity's expansion into space.